You try to swat it, aiming for where it is, but you always miss the target. Again and again, your hand moves through empty air, where the insect was just moments ago. It seems like such a simple, common insect, a mere speck of annoyance. So why is this tiny, seemingly insignificant creature almost impossible for you to catch? The housefly is one of the most ubiquitous insects found across our entire planet. You see them everywhere, in homes, buzzing around cities, and even in remote wilderness. They are often dismissed as merely annoying and easily ignored pests. But beneath that common perception lies a creature far more biologically advanced than it appears. This small body is intricately designed for maximum speed and incredible aerial agility. Its large compound eyes dominate its head, offering a nearly panoramic view of its surroundings. With just 2 wings, it achieves complex flight maneuvers that defy easy prediction. Every aspect of its structure is engineered for rapid movement and constant survival. Flies do not perceive the world through vision like you do. Their multifaceted eyes detect motion with an astonishingly high frame rate. They process visual information and make decisions far faster than your own brain can. To a fly, your own deliberate hand movements appear to be happening in extreme slow motion. Flies sense immediate danger, not just from sight, but also from subtle air movement changes. Thousands of tiny, sensitive hairs all over their body detect the slightest disturbance instantly. They can calculate the precise direction of an escape route in mere milliseconds. This explains why they always seem to take off just before your hand gets close. Flies are primarily attracted to specific environmental cues that signal resources. These attractants include readily available food sources, organic waste materials, and sources of moisture. Human environments, unfortunately, provide an ideal abundance of everything they need to survive. They are not purposefully targeting you. They are simply following the most convenient resources. These attractants include readily available food sources, organic waste materials, and sources of moisture. Human environments, unfortunately, provide an ideal abundance of everything they need to survive. They are not purposefully targeting you. They are simply following the most convenient resources. But this is where the category gets more revealing. To understand their attraction, we need to look at how flies actually consume food. Flies lack the mandibles or teeth necessary for chewing solid substances. Instead, they regurgitate digestive fluids directly onto their food source. These potent enzymes break down complex solids into a digestible liquid slurry. They then use their proboscis to efficiently absorb this liquefied meal. This specialized feeding mechanism allows them to consume almost anything organic. This is the part most people flatten into a single label. This seemingly simple feeding process carries a profound hidden risk. Flies routinely move between environments containing decaying matter and your food. As they land and feed, bacteria and pathogens adhere to their legs. Their bodies also become a passive transport system for these microscopic agents. This makes them incredibly effective, albeit unintentional, carriers of contamination. The tiny housefly, therefore, holds the power to spread serious illness. Their small size hides a disproportionately large impact on public health. But this is where the category gets more revealing. Their success isn't just about survival. It is about overwhelming abundance. Houseflies reproduce at an astonishingly rapid rate. A single female can lay hundreds of eggs in just a few days. These eggs hatch into larvae quickly, feeding and maturing into adults. Their ability to adapt to diverse environments is equally remarkable. These small flies can survive on minimal food sources, making them incredibly adaptable to many environments. The housefly's ability to reproduce rapidly is one of its most significant survival advantages. A single female can lay hundreds of eggs in just a few days, ensuring continuous generations. These eggs hatch into larvae quickly, feeding and maturing into adults in a matter of weeks. Their rapid life cycle means populations can explode exponentially when conditions are favorable for breeding. This immense reproductive capacity is key to their widespread presence in homes and urban areas. Their success comes from a combination of advanced sensory capabilities and prolific breeding strategies. The housefly's life cycle is an evolutionary triumph of efficiency and rapid adaptation. Biological design prioritizes speed and reproduction over individual longevity. These small insects demonstrate a complex survival strategy, honed over millennia of evolution. Understanding their biology reveals why they are so successful at evading our attempts to control them. You were never faster than it to begin with. It was simply built to win.